Russia is not turning off gas to European countries, at least not yet. Kremlin spokesperson Dmitry Peskov said on Friday that President Putin's order to switch gas payments from foreign currency to rubles is irreversible, but that gas supplies would not be cut off just yet. EU and G7 nations have rejected the Kremlin's demand, but many are heavily dependent on Russia for natural gas. Without it, they may have to take drastic measures until they can find alternatives.
There are major implications to the mode of payments and the outlook in particular for Europe, which could be extremely recessionary if the Russians in fact threaten to cut back on their gas supplies, for instance.
But according to Peskov, the payments for shipments after April 1st aren't due for weeks. Statements by Russian Foreign Minister Lavrov suggest importers refusing to pay in rubles might be cut off then.
The reason for moving to national currencies is, again, absolutely unreliable nature of our Western counterparts. We don't want to depend on a system which could be closed anytime. And we don't want to depend on the system whose masters can steal your money overnight.
Russia's decision threatens already rising global energy prices in a market under pressure after a month of attacks on Ukraine. The U.S. and Spain have already taken emergency measures to reduce fuel costs. There's little time, but EU and global economic prospects are riding on whether or not the West can come to an agreement with Russia or find a way to live without its gas supplies. Sarah Balter, TRT World.